This podcast was made with an AI voice generator. Today, I'm taking you on board my imaginary boat. Destination, a local post office in Rouen. But why a post office? Quite simply, after 1979 and the stamp bearing the effigy of Joan of Arc, including the statue located next to the church that bears her name, on the old market square, and which served as inspiration. You can now, since 2018, buy stamps bearing the image of Thomas Pesquet, the astronaut who was born in Rouen. Indeed, for stamps, on which appear photos of Thomas Pesquet in the International Space Station, ISS, all with a small collector's booklet. Well, I have a little advice for you. It will be difficult to find these stamps in a post office, so check the website of the post office to be able to order them.